friends, I am Darshan Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shadow Bytes. Finally, after a gap of nearly 3 months, I am back with another coding tutorial video, and in this video I am going to show you how to host the face recognition based attendance monitoring system using Python project locally. Basically, it will be a local host, and if this video reaches 600 views and 18 likes, then I will definitely make a video of how to host this project globally. So without any further delay, let's begin. But before beginning, let me say you one thing. A very special thanks to my subscriber named Syed Rizvi for allowing me to showcase his project. This code which I am going to run today is basically his project. He allowed me to showcase his project on my channel, so thanks a lot, Syed. So, and by the way, his social media profile links are given in the description below, from where you can visit his profile, and if you have any queries, you can also ask him as well. So I have and by the way, if you have noticed one thing, that today my like and view target is less than my regularly. I used to say that like at least 1000 views and 30 likes, but today I am reduced the target because I am not well prepared for this video. So but you guys have requested me so much, so I am making this video in bit hurry or urgency, you can say. That's why I have a bit less expectation, but still I am requesting you, please support this video and like it, share it to as many people as you can, so that they could also know how to deploy the project at least locally. And if this video reaches 600 views and 18 likes, then I will also upload the video of how to make this project host globally. So that's it. Without any further delay, let's start the video. So friends, first thing first, at first you need to download this zip file. Link to download this zip file will be given in the description below, and each and every step you need to run using command prompt. That's the main thing. I have downloaded the zip file here in the desktop as well, but I am to show you a bit different process, because so that you can understanding better that how to run the code properly and how to move between various directories in command prompt. So first thing first, you have to download this zip file. Link to download the zip file is obviously in the description below. The next thing is locate the zip file first, which is this, I believe. No, not this one. For my case, it's this file. Sorry, folder. This subfolder. Yes, this is the location. This is the zip file. Now you need to extract it, so I am extracting it. You can extract it using built-in software as well. I am using this WinRAR. Okay, so file is extracted. This is the app.py code which you need to run, and this is the ultimate location of the code file which you can see. So basically you need to run this code using command prompt. Now what you need to do is first open command prompt. Now as you can see that this file is in local disk E, means E drive. So first you need to change the drive path to E, or best thing is you just copy this location, exact location, and first type cd ... then press enter. Again cd dot dot, press enter. Oh, again cd double dot, press enter. Okay, everything is fine now. Now type cd, then paste the location which you have copied just now. Control V, paste, and just press enter. Something wrong is happening, I think. I have to check it. Oh, sorry guys, I'm extremely sorry. If your file location, folder location has some spaces, then it might cause some problems. So let's re-extract it. Extract here. Okay, so this is the location. I'm extremely sorry for showing you the wrong procedure. Copy the exact location. Oh no, not this one, this one. So copy the exact. Oh, okay. Copy this exact location and paste it on command prompt, thereby typing cd, then this, control V, paste, and press enter. Something wrong is still happening. Let me see what's happening. Okay, E, now E colon. Okay, so basically if you have seen that is for some reason, okay, I'm showing this again in the command prompt procedure. First cd double dot, again cd double dot, again cd double dot. Now you can change the directory cd, then paste the location of the zip file where I mean the file where the code is present, which is this for my case. Press enter, and if still it doesn't come, then just type the drive where you have downloaded the code. For my case it's E drive, so I am typing E, then colon, oh it's semicolon, colon, and then press enter. Yes, now you are in the proper location. Now what you need to do, you will see that I have made a txt file which says copy and paste it to install all the libraries. Just open it. Why it's not opening? Okay, now copy the whole thing, this whole thing, copy and just paste it here to install all the libraries in one click. Okay, so I have pasted it. Now press enter. Each and every library will get installed if it's not installed. For my case, I have already installed it earlier, so it says that requirements already satisfied or something like that. Anyways, now it's time to run the code. So what you need to do, here you type python app.py. basically it's app.py is the code file which you have to run using command prompt. This has several other options as well. You can use svm app.py as well. It may show some different thing, but for now I am showing the app.py procedure. Okay, so python app.py. Now press enter. Okay, hopefully it will run. It will take some time. to run. It's taking, okay, so now this project is hosted locally. You just need to copy this server address. What's happening? Okay, you needs to copy this server address. Control C copy. Okay, so Control C copy, and now open any browser. For my case, I am opening Chrome. So on the address bar, just paste the address and press enter. You can see the project has hosted locally, and here the developer name is written Syed Rizvi. Once again, thanks to Syed for allowing me to showcase your project on my video. Okay, now here I am typing my name. Oh, my name, then ID. For this project you don't need to have password, so you can simply click on add new user, and within few seconds your registration will be done. And it has detected your face within a blink of eye. As you can see, if you see, it's registering my face. It's capturing 50 images and done. Total users in database 1. Now it's time to take the attendance, but before showing the take attendance, let me show you another thing in the backend thing. Here is in the static folder. In the static folder, here in this faces, double click on faces. Here you can see my name is the folder got created with my ID, underscore my ID, here this, and here is all my faces stored in colored format instead of black and white, which I have showed in my previous video. So I expect this accuracy of this detection is so good that it may also not face any problem even in very different writing conditions. Okay, so now let's take the attendance. Within few seconds the window will start running in background. You can see my name, my face, and my name is displayed here, and within few minutes it automatically quit close. You don't need to press Q or something like that to quit the window, which is a very good thing. So once again, thanks to subscriber Syed Rizvi for developing this project and also allowing me to showcase it on my channel. Other than me, you can also contact him on his social media profiles, which given in the description below, for further queries regarding this project. Anyways, now let's check the database. So here is the attendance folder. In this, here it is the database where you can see my name is displayed here. Post-already full name, yes, my name is displayed here along with role, which is basically ID, and time. So yeah, that's it. I'm not making the video too long. I'm ending the video here only. This is how you can locally host the project. And by the way, I have seen a nice feature of this project is that if you in one day you can take only one attendance per person. Also per person's registration or images are stored in different folders based on their name and ID. This creates the system a more specific about by differentiating each person's, which was a headache in my code, which you have seen that when registering multiple faces, one person's name is showing in other person's attendance, and these errors were occurring. But hopefully that will not happen in this case, because what I have seen, it has lots of upgradations. Although it's I need to make some fixes later on, but that I haven't noticed any major issue. That some minor fixes are needed, what that I can't explain properly. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can host the project face recognition based attendance monitoring system locally on your PC without any issues. And if you are facing any difficulty running the code of this project, then feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, thereby joining my WhatsApp group, basically Shadowbytes WhatsApp group, and there you will get my number, where my WhatsApp name is Smartech Magics. So yeah, and also you can contact the developer of this code, which is Syed Rizvi. I have said his name many times. His social media profile links are given in the description below. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can host the face recognition based attendance monitoring system using Python project locally. And like I said earlier, okay, I'm ending it here only. So this is how you can host the project face recognition based attendance monitoring system locally. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shadowbytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch my latest coding tutorial videos for anyone else. And just like I said in the beginning and also at the end of the tutorial part, that if this video reaches 600 views and 18 likes, then I will definitely upload a video of how to host this project globally. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. And before ending, I would like to thanks again to my subscriber Syed Rizvi, Mr. Syed Rizvi, for allowing me to showcase his project on this video. So thanks Syed, keep growing and keep making more such innovative projects, and wish you all the best for your future. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.